Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by getting the signal right. You want clean level and no hidden processing. You should set preamp gain so peaks are near -6 dB, then route the kick to its own bus. Once routed, disable insert effects that will confuse EQ decisions and insert a high-pass filter around 2030 Hz to remove subsonic rumble. This prevents low-end buildup later. Make sure the bus has headroom, do not clip. Now you're ready to sculpt tone with the X32's EQ. Now work the X32's bands. Start with a low-frequency bell around 6100 Hz to shape thump. Use a moderate Q and a controlled boost. Next, find muddiness between 200 and 400 Hz with a narrow cut. Sweep while reducing 26 dB until the kick clears. Then boost around 2.55 kHz with a tighter Q to bring out beater attack and definition. Use subtle shelving if needed for overall brightness. Make adjustments while the full mix plays so the kick sits correctly. Finish by balancing EQ with compression. Apply gentle bus compression, slowish attack, medium release, and about 2:1:4:1 ratio. Aim for 26 dB gain reduction to tighten dynamics. Once done, solo the kick to confirm tone, then return to the mix and make small EQ trims rather than big boosts. If it still reads thin or cancels, check phase against room mics and invert polarity if needed. Troubleshooting tip: always try subtractive EQ first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.